Hey, Thomas here, and I have an awesome video for you today. This is something that we have never done on this channel. But first, I want to say, I hope you had an awesome Christmas, a Happy New Year. You spent some great times with family and friends, maybe got some good gifts. In this video, like I was saying, never done this. This is an unboxing from Elemental Knives here. They sent this over for us for Christmas, and you're going to be able to unbox this with us. Now, before they sent these over, they told us a little bit of background on their story, on their company here. Apparently, they're a small team of guys who love video games so much that they dedicate a company to create high-quality replica knives from their favorite game. They ship to thousands around the world, and apparently these knives are very sharp as well. So we're going to check them out. Let's do this. Now, looking at the box at first glance, some of these knives look pretty big, look pretty heavy-duty. And whatever's inside this box, this looks like this is going to be crazy. And they sent over a gold-plated knife. So basically, like the, in James Bond, the golden gun or whatever. There's going to be a gold knife here, and that should be pretty awesome. So when we're going through these, I want you to comment down below which one is your favorite. And again, this is from video games, so we're going to see if we can tell which video game they're from as well. Now, my brother and I don't play video games as much as we used to. However, we still enjoy knives, weapons. You might have seen some of our videos doing kung fu, things like this. We love the knives, love the weapons. So this is going to be fun. All right, I'm going to go with the smaller box here first. Let's take a look. See here. Case is good. Okay, it has a... Hey, listen, this knife is sharp. All right, so apparently these are really sharp. Oh, this is awesome right here. So this is what I think is a Karambit. So it has a little case on there. Now, what's cool about this weapon, too, we did a little bit of training in some different martial arts, but I believe this is a Filipino martial arts, or they use this in Filipino martial arts. And what's cool about this is this finger place here, or the place where you can put your finger in and hold the knife here for grips, things like this. Now, this color here looks really awesome. And I don't know if you can see up close, Jonathan, but look at this little design in there, too. I mean, definitely an awesome looking knife here, Karambit. And I'm going to test real quick how sharp this is. I'm kind of afraid to touch it. It looks really sharp. Oh, yeah. Yeah, this thing is definitely not one you can play around with. Now, I'm going to try some moves, because what's cool about the Karambit, I'm going to put this case on it to protect it, because it is very sharp. And the feel of this is nice and heavy. I mean, it feels good. And when I grip, it's a good grip here. But what's cool about this knife is the different attacks you can do. And then you can flip it around. There's different tricks you can do with this knife and keep it there. And this is really cool. I'm thinking this is from... I think this is from Counter-Strike, CSGO. Comment down below if you know where this Karambit is from, but I'm pretty sure it's Counter-Strike. Now, I'm not sure what this is for. Maybe you tie this around. Anyone who's familiar with this, comment down below what this rope is for, actually. I'm assuming you tied it around there. But the first one, this is really cool, and just such a unique look to it. And the gripping here feels really good. All right, next we're going to go with this one. This actually, I mean, it looks like definitely a bigger knife than the Karambit there. Whoa, look at this.
Dude, that one's huge.
I think we got the gold one here.
Yeah, that's definitely the gold one. Look at that.
Wow. Okay. I don't know if you can see this on the camera, but look at this.
Yeah, let me zoom in.
These are actually engravings. So this is engraved on the knife, and then there's even a little more details on the blade of the knife. Wow. And this feels really good. I'd say, for me, just the first initial feel, this is heavier, which I like. I personally like this better. To me, it looks more menacing. It just looks like a scary knife. And the gold here, so cool. So the handle is a hard plastic.
Oh, what's that on the bottom?
Oh, this is... Okay, this looks like you could connect this to a weapon. So, Jonathan, you were doing a little bit of research on that.
Yeah, that has to be the bayonet then, right? I know they have some of those, so that's what that's for.
Okay, so this is the gold bayonet we got here. Man. Okay, this is definitely one. So far, this is my favorite. Just, I like the way it feels. If it wasn't so sharp... Let me check real quick, though, because they say they're all sharp. Yeah, this feels pretty damn sharp. If it wasn't so sharp, this is a knife that I feel like would be a lot of fun to flip around, do tricks with. but obviously in this case, no. But I like the weight on the handle and everything here. Really cool. And we got the gold one on the second one. Awesome. All right, let's open up these next ones. All right, I'm going to go with the smaller one on this one. See what we got here. I mean, I'm curious if it's like another Karambit or something like that. We'll see. All right, another card. Oh, look at this.
Oh, that's a butterfly, right?
Yep. Can you tell what this is? Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Butterfly. And look at the color there. You can see kind of the red. All right, so I'm going to open this up. Now, I got to tell you something. We're big fans of butterfly knives, and we actually have trainer knives, and I'll show you real quick what one of those looks like.
Yeah, because that was like when we saw it in the movies, you know, as a kid, you have the gangster that throws out the
Yeah.
I always wanted to learn the little tricks and stuff.
Yeah, we have these trainer knives, which these are great for practice, right? So you can work on them and stuff. Really fun knives here. Now, I'm assuming this one is really sharp, so you'd have to practice the skills on a trainer knife, but I'm going to go ahead and open this up. Let's see. It's definitely, you can tell it's made a little different. Wow, man.
Yeah, it's the curves on it. It's interesting.
Very unique style to it. And look at this.
Is that a spider design? What is it?
Yeah, it looks like a really cool spider design, almost like a Spider-Man butterfly knife there. Really cool. And I like the shapes here. The curves. Now, I'm going to test this too. Again, very sharp.
So the first one we think was from CSGO. Is the second one too, that Bayonet?
Yeah, comment down below if you know, but it's starting to look like all of these are Counter-Strike knives here. Man, this is really cool though. Now, I'm too afraid. This thing is huge too. Look how much bigger it is than the... Look at that. And it just looks way cooler. Now, I'm too afraid to do any tricks with this thing because if you look, the blade's so sharp. So sometimes what people will do is put duct tape around the sharp edge to practice. But just by opening it up, it's a little, stiff.
Mm-hmm.
So for the skills, yeah, it would take some warming up, breaking in. Okay. All right, on to the next one, butterfly knife. Okay, this one, definitely one of my favorites. I'm a big fan of the butterfly knife. Okay, open sesame. Oh my God. So is there a second, two gold ones? Hold on a second. And look at this design.
Whoa. Dude, I think I might like this one better.
This is definitely a lot more slick, cooler, and look, there's a freaking dragon on here. Now, a little fun fact, what makes this so cool for me and my brother is we were actually born in the year of the dragon. But hold on a second. Are these the same?
Yeah, pull that other one.
These look like basically exactly the same, except this one's definitely shinier. The bottom has gold. This one has black. They're both bayonets, though.
Dude, the other one has to be the gold. Look, because it has the gold around the guard and at the
that's true.
connection.
All right, so guys, I think we screwed up. Right? Because now I look at it, this looks definitely more like a gold, and so maybe, yeah, this is definitely, we got mixed up here. So we need to figure out which one this is. If you know, go ahead and comment down below. This one's obviously the gold one because it has that shine look to it.
And that's 24 karat, right?
Yeah, 24 karat plated golden knife here, golden bayonet. I think what I've heard, different cartels, like the guys will have gold plated guns and stuff. So it's like, this is your cartel bayonet knife here. Now on to the final one. Now this one, just from the outside look of this case, it looks insane. And I'm just really curious what is inside this one. It kind of looks like it could be another bayonet. We'll see though. Oh. Dang, look at this one. Now, okay.
Wow, dude.
I'm pretty sure I know which knife this is. This is definitely from Counter-Strike. So all these look like they're from Counter-Strike. And this one I know because this one, it looks so cool and unique. I believe it's a Huntsman. I need to double check. If you know your knives on this from CSGO, I believe this is a Huntsman. Look at that. This one, just look at the colors on this, man.
Yeah, the design all the way through to even on the handle.
Yeah, that is sick. And it just feels really solid.
And that's a fixed blade, right? It doesn't fold or anything.
Yeah, I like the fixed blades like this.
Yeah.
But this one just looks so aggressive, man. Now let's take a closer look at this design here. The colors are really cool. This looks like some sort of demon knife. There's like teeth. Flip on the outsides. And just heavy duty. Feels good in your hand. Now, for me and my brother here, we don't really have many hardcore knives like this, so this is really awesome. Now, I totally missed this with the knives. Underneath here, each little holding case is a carrying case here. Wow, that's pretty cool. Now, for me personally, I would like not really as much branding on the sheath, a leather style, but this is really cool that it comes with it. Just shows the type of quality. They give you sheaths here to use, and this is definitely you could definitely use this. It has rope here. It's nice, and if you see here, I'll show you. It really keeps the blade safe. There's actually protection through here, so you don't have to worry about it poking you. So this allows you to carry it around or just keep it in a safe area so the blade's not exposed.
Okay, now which one is your favorite out of all of them?
Okay, yeah, if I was going to choose my favorite, I mean, just on looks, I like the shape of this knife and the colors. It's really cool. What do you think, though?
So you going with that one? All right, I'm going to go with the gold one, man. That one just...
Yeah, the cartel knife?
Yeah.
Caused some damage?
It looks slick, man.
Yeah. All these knives are really nice looking, but these two are the winners. Comment down below what you think, which one you would choose. If you had to choose just one, I'm going to go with this one all day. The Huntsman, baby. All right, big shout out to Elemental Knives for these. And I just want to say that going through these, especially if you're a fan of gamer knives, I mean, this is the real deal. So it looks just like in the video game, except you get to have it in real life. And so I feel like these are knives you could have as display, and especially like some of these are so cool and unique. So they did something cool for you here. If you want one of these badass knives, or check out some of these knives for yourself, which I highly recommend after going through these as well, is you can go to elementalknives.com/TappBrothers, T-A-P-P Brothers, and you can get 10% off on your first order here. Okay, so you can get a discount. Take any of that cash you got for Christmas. If you want to get a sweet knife, awesome replica from the games, heavy duty here, check it out. We'll put a link down in the description. You can check that out, elementalknives.com/TappBrothers. All right. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, leave any comments down below, and I'll see you in the next video.